Hey all, this is Dean, custom new product here, Voicemail Pro. It's great if you want to add some little pizzazz and gain some more attraction to your website and get some more interaction with your customers. I just showing you on our site how it's integrated here. If you leave a message here, it pops up a window, as you'll see over here. Let's move it back into the screen. I click record and it wants to record, but I can't do that because I'm recording this with you right now. So I'm going to close that out and we'll go back down the page here. If you're interested, you can, there's several buy now buttons. You can grab it. There's only 24 available at this low price. It's a launch price. It's 50% off. It's going to be going up to $97 here very shortly. And this is more about it. This will tell you, how it interacts and how you can test it and do all those things that you need to do to integrate it with your website. If you go to the actual site, it's vmailr.com. V like Victor, mail, M-A-I-L, R.com. And you'll see this exact page that I'm showing you. I'm using this for a little bit of extra exposure. Enjoy your evening. Take care. Enjoy this product. It'll really boost your sales. Bye-bye.